2020 Nissan Leaf SL. I'm getting this error message here, a couple errors. So the self-steering is not working, the collision is not working, the lane keep assist is not working, and this just randomly appears occasionally when I'm driving, and then it stays on for the remainder of the drive. But if I shut the vehicle off, then of course the message disappears. But no, if I restart the car, the message disappears and it's all reset and all fine again. And randomly the message will reappear again, the error message. It could be after 5 minutes of driving, it could be after half an hour driving, or it might not even show up at all for the whole day. So if anyone knows what that might be and how to resolve that problem, I greatly appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave some of your ideas in the comments below. Thanks a lot. Again, that's a 2020 Nissan Leaf SL. Thanks. Bye-bye.